Yeah. Alright, how to change the probe for the oven igniter. Undo from the spark here. Undo the cable tie. Pull it through the P-clip. Tape it to a mouse with some electrical tape. You can then go inside the oven and you can then feed it through. Like, you can then undo the probe here, bracket, and take it out. You can then put the new probe in, do the Allen key up, holding the nut on the back, make sure it's nice and tight, pull the new probe through, go back around the back, pass it up through the P-clip, like so, and plug it into the sparker. I suggest then you coil up the excess instead of it being inside the oven.